Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Usual English conversation. In our channel, there are lots of tips and tricks, are there to learn English speaking. Want to speak English naturally? Keep watching our videos continuously. Watch full video, don't skip the video.
Watch conversation questioning and answering about fashion.
Hi. Hello. Are you a big fan of fashion? Yes, I am. I believe every girl is crazy about fashion. What style do you choose to wear? Well, my favorite piece of clothes is a dress. Depending on the situation, I choose a formal or informal dress to wear. Do you enjoy shopping for clothes? Yes, I'm a shopaholic, actually. Is there any fashion icon who you want to wear the same? Yes, I really admire Taylor Swift, and wish to wear like her. Do you create your own fashion style? No. I'm not a fashionista, so most of the time I just follow the fashion trend. Do you prefer vintage or modern style? Why? Honestly, I love vintage style. Wearing classic clothes makes me feel like I'm special. Have you ever attended any fashion show? Not in real life. I just watch them on TV. What do people think about your fashion style? I don't know exactly, and I don't care much about it. I just wear what makes me comfortable and confident. Are you going to change your fashion style in the future? Well, I can't tell. Maybe fashion is changeable, and I am, too. Is fashion important to people? Yes, in my opinion. Fashion can partly reveal who you are.
The conversation is over.
Hello, friends. Now you know all about how to questioning and answering about fashion. Keep watching our videos continuously. Our next video is given below in our description. Keep watching to succeed. Please like and share if you enjoyed. If you want more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting notification immediately from our channel. Thank you for watching.